Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to everyone that's watching, wherever you guys are watching from. I appreciate you guys so much for coming back to my YouTube channels and always taking a look at my video. I appreciate you guys so much. This is OSTV 67, and I'm asking you guys to just please subscribe to my channel. Give the videos a thumbs up, share up the video, and like up the video. Share up the video and comment on the video. All right? And I appreciate you guys also very much. People, Father Frankie and Miss D, they have a Fishy Friday starting this Friday. All right? And it's at 207 East 93rd Street. All right. And that's in Brooklyn, New York. All right. I want you guys to come out and support them. All right. Fish will be there. All different type of fish. All right. And any which way you prefer. So come out and support Father Frankie and Miss D on them Fishy Friday. All right. And a blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Right here, we take up half of the roof already. Me got it, me got it. Okay, we ripped off the back part of the roof that was leaking. So now we're gonna, and we took the gutter out. So this is it right here. With the gutter out and the back part that we cut it out, and that's where we're gonna repair. Huh? What? Then did have some problem with round the skylight. That's the new gutter that we installed. All right, and we're flashing it out now and doing the finish, and then we're gonna put the leaf blocker inside the gutter. Hmm? Yeah, man, just. We finished flashing it out now, and we're cleaning it up, and also putting in the leaf stopper, so it don't block up the drain, as you can see right here. So we're complete. Yes, guys. This is where I end this little short video of a job we did, um, repairing a roof. I hope you guys like it, and I thank you guys for always coming by and taking a look at my videos and watching my YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys so very much. And please, I'm asking you guys to subscribe. Subscription is free. So I'm asking you guys to subscribe. And I hope you guys like this little short video. Appreciate you guys so very much. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love.